Alright guys, I got my door panel torn apart and the window is not rolling up. I didn't replace the switch. I didn't open this up to see if I had any broke wires in there. I got 2 new door modules. That didn't work. I am kicking myself in the butt for this. But hopefully you guys can learn from my mistake. Let me show you what it was. Blown fuse. This guy here. So that'll be the window. That'll be spot M26. For the Fat Fiber door switch. Wow. Oh, we all got our days. At least we figured it out. Oh yeah, this little trusty guy helped me find it too. Harbor Freight, $4.